What are the signs of social media addiction? Maybe some of you will have them. Maybe I have them, you have them. Some of them may be manifesting you here. Some of them are manifesting people that you know. You say, oh, I think I know somebody who has these signs. But based on research, these are the 6 signs of social media addiction. The first one, the constant urge to check your phone every few minutes. That's a sign that you are addicted. Every few seconds, minutes, you want to keep checking your phone. The second, if there's no Wi-Fi or there's no internet on your phone, for you it's the end of the world. That's it, it's all over, it's all doom and gloom. You don't care how sunny the weather is outside, you're not enjoying the here and the now, the moment. For you, it's the end of the world because there's no Wi-Fi. You can't go into your smartphone. The third sign, you announce every hour what you're doing on social media. You have to project this persona. You have to upload that I'm here. An hour later, I'm here. An hour later, I'm doing this and I'm doing that. You have to do something where you are proactively uploading something on social media. The fourth one is you wake up in the middle of the night to check your phone. That's the last action, in fact. You place the phone under the pillow the last thing in the night, and then you get it from under your pillow first thing in the morning. Sometimes you may even get up in the middle of the night to have a little touch. Where is it gone? Just check here and let's have a quick look. And I'll tell you what's happening there as well later on when we unpack this further. Fifth one, you're secretly spending hours during work on social media. This is an amana, a trust that your employer has bestowed upon you. You are their employee. And what normally happens is that we casually sneak in 20 minutes here, an hour later, another 20 minutes, and it builds up to at least 2 hours a day. From an Islamic perspective, that's wrong. Because your employer is demanding that you are working, but you are sneaking in 20 minutes here, 10 minutes here. If you tally all this up, then that goes a long way. And this is the money that we feed our kids with. The halal, we call it halal money, the wage. Imagine, how many hours does this build up every week, month, every year? And the final one is that you anxiously wait to see how many likes you get. So if you upload something, and this is the beginning of the psychology that we're going to look at further, that you are anxiously watching and you're waiting, and it affects your self-esteem, it affects your confidence. Yeah, if a picture that you've uploaded or if you've uploaded a post doesn't perform as well as you would like, it's affecting you psychologically, it's affecting you emotionally, it's affecting you spiritually. All these things are taking place, and because you're not getting that instant gratification, you're not getting that kind of, and it leads to anxieties and mental health issues, inshallah, and we're going to be focusing on that.